If you're wondering how to collect reviews using Outgrow and want to make the process as seamless as possible, this video is for you. Whether you're new to the software or just looking to streamline your review collection, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to leverage Outgrow to collect valuable customer feedback and boost your credibility. Outgrow is an interactive content tool that lets you create engaging surveys, quizzes, calculators, and other types of content that help you gather insights directly from your audience. One of the key features of Outgrow is its ability to integrate review collection into these interactive experiences, making it easier to collect authentic real-time feedback from your customers. To start, you'll need to create an engaging experience that encourages users to share their thoughts. The first step in using Outgrow for reviews is to set up your interactive content. This could be a quiz or a survey that's relevant to your business or the service you provide. The goal is to keep the process engaging so that your users feel motivated to give honest feedback. Once you've set up your quiz or survey, you can easily add review questions that prompt users to rate your service, answer specific questions about their experience, or share comments. Outgrow makes it simple to tailor the questions to suit your needs. For example, you can ask customers to rate their satisfaction or provide suggestions for improvement. By integrating these review prompts directly into an interactive experience, you'll increase the likelihood of getting valuable feedback. What's great about Outgrow is the range of customization options it offers. You can adjust the layout and style of your survey or quiz to match your brand's look and feel. Plus, Outgrow supports automatic follow-up emails, so you can thank users for their feedback and offer them incentives to complete the process, like discounts or free trials. When you're ready to analyze the data, Outgrow provides detailed reports on user responses. This means you can easily track and manage the reviews you collect, allowing you to make data-driven decisions to improve your product or service. With the right strategy in place, you'll be able to build up a collection of glowing reviews that can enhance your brand's reputation and help attract new customers. You can also integrate Outgrow with other tools you're already using, like your CRM or email marketing platform, to make the review collection process even more seamless. This helps you stay organized and ensures you're responding to customer feedback in a timely manner. What sets Outgrow apart from other review collection tools is its versatility. Not only does it help you collect reviews, but it also engages your audience, making the whole experience feel interactive and fun. The added benefit of being able to create a variety of content types for different purposes makes it a powerful tool for digital marketing. And here's the best part. You can try Outgrow completely free from the first link below, and we've even got exclusive bonuses for you to make the most out of your trial. So if you're serious about taking your review collection to the next level, don't miss this opportunity. To wrap up, Outgrow isn't just a tool for gathering reviews. It's a complete platform that allows you to engage your audience while collecting valuable insights. If you want to see exactly how this software works for yourself, make sure to click the link below and get started with an exclusive extended free trial. Try it out today and see just how easy it is to collect reviews that can boost your business.